Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make ginisang mackerel sardines with patula and bok choy. It's a very simple dish, but it's very delicious and healthy. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We have the mackerel sardines, and then onions, tomatoes, garlic, and then sitaw, bok choy, and salt. Okay, to start. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then tomatoes. And then, guys, we're gonna add the mackerel sardines. Okay, I'm going to include maybe I cannot put water anymore, but I'm going to include the liquid of these sardines. Okay, that's the mackerel sardine. Okay, guys. Mm, mm, it's like a budboron. Okay, like that. We are not going to make it very small. And now, I'm going to get my spoon first. I'm gonna taste, guys. Mm, it's already yummy. And then it's boiled already, guys. It's very quick. And then we're gonna add the sitaw o patula. Wow, it smells good. And now we're gonna add the bok choy. Oops. It's very easy, guys. It's very simple. Mm. It's very simple and it's very yummy. We don't need to add anything because the sauce of the I just put black pepper because the liquid of the sardines it's already very tasty. So that's why I include that one because we don't need to put salt. It's yummy already. Okay, guys. So this is our ginisang mackerel sardines with patula and bok choy. Okay, guys. Look at that one. Okay. So it's done and it's yummy. Okay, guys. It's very yummy and healthy. Okay. So if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Bruja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram and to all my accounts. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.